Hey everybody, I'm here fixing my Rampage cabinet motherboard. Now I did put the new one in. The new one comes with a sticker that's labeled Rampage, but when you do take your system apart, it'll look like this, and you take out two screws, you come around. Now this is the ground wire, so make sure your cabinet is unplugged before you do touch all this, and you simply take out these 4 screws and then needle nose pliers to undo this black and the white over here, and then the ribbon cable you can pry off with your fingers. And then you just put it back together the way that you took it apart. Not too complicated. I haven't tested it out yet, but hopefully this will fix the gauntlet glitch.